Welcome back to Shib everyone. What's going on when the CEO of Shiba Inu fires every team member before Shibarium? Today's Shib news. Since Shiba Inu was first introduced as an internet joke, it is known as a meme coin. Named after Dogecoin, another joke coin that plays on an internet meme featuring a Shiba Inu dog, the 15th largest cryptocurrency token was created. We'll discuss the Shiba Inu CEO's decision to fire every team member before Shibarium in this video. What happened? Shib News. Please remember to give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel in order to view our most recent information on expert analysis and pricing projections for Shiba Inu. Let's get the video started right now. The cryptocurrency market's negative reaction to the prospect of another Fed rate hike has caused the Shiba price to drop 1.5% over the last day. Despite being up 35% since the start of the year, it has dropped 9% in the last week and 24% in the last 30 days to $0.192. Even if SHIB fell today, there's a good probability it will rise later this week. This is because Shibarium, the Shiba Inu Layer 2 network, has announced that it would begin a public beta this week, ushering in a new era when the meme token starts to provide some real benefit. The meme token isn't too far from hitting a bottom, according to SHIB's indicators, after which it might have a robust recovery. Nearing 30, the token's relative strength index would formally indicate that it is oversold and that a rally is imminent. The 30-day moving average for SHIB has also started to decline sharply and is likely to drop below its 200-day average in a week. Traders may now anticipate that SHIB will start to rise once more, which the Shibarium news will aid with. Shibarium's release will speed up and lower the cost of SHIB transactions while also benefiting the small number of apps that are scattered around the Shiba Inu ecosystem, such as shibaswap. As a result, this environment will become more alluring to DeFi and other sectors of the cryptocurrency market, increasing the number of users and adopters of SHIB. As a result, the demand for SHIB will rise, and the introduction of Shibarium will cause more SHIB to be burned since transaction fees will be destroyed. Given that the meme token has recently declined more precipitously than other significant tokens, this will all occur at precisely the correct moment for SHIB. For example, a large number of whales have recently been selling their SHIB holdings. About $694 million in SHIB was held by the top 500 ERC20 addresses as of February 8. However, this has decreased to $606 million, a 12.5% decrease. Whale SHIB holdings are still significantly more than they were in mid-January, when they were only $84.55 million, notwithstanding this decrease. This implies that a large number of whales purchased SHIB at comparatively high prices, which should keep them from losing money on their sale. This suggests that the coin might stay above its support level of $0.105. Longer term, market optimism for SHIB will also rise with the eventual debut of SHIB. The Metaverse. 10,595 land plots will be available for anyone to use or purchase in this metaverse, a virtual environment with a Shiba theme. These plots are separated into 4 districts: the Growth District, the Defense District, the Technology District, and the Currencies District. Although SHIB, the metaverse's specifics are still vague, its release will undoubtedly raise demand for SHIB, which will be useful on the platform. As a result, it's fair to assume that SHIB will have a bright future. When Shibarium begins this week, there will not only be a surge, but it is also anticipated to increase gradually over the year. According to recent statistics from Changali, the average year-high estimate is $0.162,484, which would be 48% higher than its current price. But sooner or later, SHIB holders anticipate even greater increases than this, with some aiming for lofty goals like $0.01 or even $1. The Shib army enthusiastically embraced the news and as of the time of writing, the tweet has received over 9,500 likes and over 35,000 retweets. Shib Army believes that the overall impact on the SHIB meme coin will be positive because to the number of decentralized applications on the Shibarium Layer 2 scaling network waitlist. Furthermore, the token burn process will be considerably accelerated with the release of the Shibarium Layer 2 scaling solution. The Shiba Inu ecosystem will also become more practical rather than solely dependent on conjecture. The second largest meme currency in terms of market valuation can therefore fiercely compete with other leading digital assets. Satoshi Kusama, the lead developer for Shiba Inu, revealed Shibarium's new website and input system late last month. Kusama warned the Shib Army, however, that all tokens on the Shibarium public beta are merely for testing and that investors should be cautious not to fall victim to fraud. The Shiba Inu ecosystem is focused on the eagerly anticipated release of the Shibarium Layer 2 scaling solution. Now that Shibarium 2 is up and running, the Shiba Inu community should anticipate more token burns. More Ethereum-based whales have apparently migrated to the Shiba Inu ecosystem in search of higher returns. According to statistics from Whale Stats, SHIB, which has a market capitalization of $6.12 billion, is the most popular cryptocurrency owned among the top 100 Ethereum whales, accounting for 12% of the total, despite the coin's recent price decline. One of the world's largest Ethereum whales began purchasing Shiba Inu for hundreds of millions of dollars a few days ago. According to blockchain tracking company Etherscan, a massive cryptocurrency whale just acquired 118,584,194,000 SHIB, or $1.34 million. Following his most recent transaction, the investor now owns a staggering 19 trillion SHIB, or more than $225.34 million, which represents almost 40% of the whale's cryptocurrency holdings. Despite the recent upheaval and disarray within the project's inner circle, the majority of Shiba Inu community members still support head developer Satoshi Kusama, according to a recent survey. The community has been ablaze with rumors and conjecture in recent days over a growingly acrimonious conflict between Trophius, the co-lead of Shib defense team, and KZ. Trophius accused Satoshi Kusama of carrying out a hostile takeover of the Shiba Inu ecosystem, undermining its decentralization by disbanding the so-called Breeds team in a message posted on Discord. Trophius claims that Kusama had dismissed a number of well-known members of the community, including Shib Queenie, who posted a mysterious artwork on Twitter to announce her departure, writing, "Everyone's replaceable. Everything is moving forward. Do not be concerned." To assist the community's creators in expanding the ecosystem, the Breeds team was established. But Kusama's choice to take them down from the Shibarium channel has drawn a lot of backlash from the community. The primary developer has even been charged by certain members with having a megalomaniacal personality. The team is still on pace to unveil Shibarium, a much-anticipated Layer 2 solution, despite the continuous infighting. Kusama clarified that he presently collaborates with several teams in a Telegram chat, saying, "If I only work with one, there is a point of weakness. What occurs if a defense chooses to attack or a designer determines they have made enough mistakes to not design? I have to account for every scenario. Not everyone takes this positively. It is important to remember that internal conflicts have already occurred within the Shiba Inu group, and it is unclear how this most recent disagreement will be settled. Nonetheless, it is evident that there are strong views on both sides and that the community is still split on the matter. In spite of this, the team is still dedicated to developing and launching Shibarium, and the Shiba project is still proceeding. In his latest round of tweets, Coinbase director Connor Grogan has mentioned some intriguing facts. He claims that a wallet with an intriguing OpenSea account is directly linked to the Shiba Inu founder through an exchange deposit. Alameda is the name of the account. Grogan, on the other hand, has already connected Shiba and Alameda. Alameda, the largest SHIB farmer at the time, may have built the top of the most recent surge for the meme coin by selling it shortly before FTX allowed SHIB perpetual trading, according to data the Coinbase director disclosed in a thread last month. That concludes today. To view our most recent content, remember to give it a huge thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Tell me if you require any further modifications.